Buenas noches, profesora. En esta oportunidad, mi compañera Mayumi, con quien hago el grupo, hasta la actualidad, hasta el día de hoy, he tratado de comunicarme con ella, pero no me responde los mensajes. Entonces, viendo la situación, yo estoy grabando el video yo sola, tanto como su parte de ella como mi parte de mía también. Yeah. Hi Mayumi, where are you from? I am from Peru. I am living in Lima. How about you, Yuriko? I am from Peru too. Delay in Chimbote. What do you usually do on Wednesdays? On Wednesdays, a student go the doors university and on my homework. After days, health and hope. What of you? What you do me in the weekends? On Wednesdays, I take EST. I usually watch movie in the head. I do with my family or friends. When do you usually study? I study in the afternoon and when hard exams. I also study at night. And what time do you wake up? With case, I wake at 6 a.m. and getting ready for university. What kind of food do you like? I like pasta and I love pizza, but I don't enjoy spring food. I had Shakespeare home. I hope you. What for do you like? I love chicken and salad. I like show, but I'm not a fan of fast food. Do you like pasta? No, I don't. What kind of music do you listen to? I like K-pop and love romantic music. I don't like rock and can style very love music. What I do you? I love salsa and reggaeton and I like folk music, but I know Indo classic music. What do you like? Do your friend time? I like I like reading in the watch movie. I love going out watch friends. I don't like cleaning the home and the high early. What you do? What do like? I like cooking and listening to music. In the afternoon, I usually read well. Thank you for the interview. I was great. Thank you. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Goodbye, my